Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review, and we'll even try it out here at the end on my new 150 PSI Syncwire portable air compressor. Super cool. I just got it in. I've only taken off the tape, so let's go ahead and check it out. So you get a carrying case for it. Very nice. User manual, warranty information. All cool. You get all the different tips for it. So like, depending if you're putting it on a car, motorcycle, basketball, soccer ball, anything like that. Cool. Oh, very nice. It's this one right here. Can't wait to turn this on and we'll get it going. But let's see if I have to charge it or it's already good to go. Oh, look at that display on there. Very neat. Let's go through some of the accessories real quick and then we'll go head outside and try it out. So everything is just really good quality. You could just tell it's got some weight to it. Not super heavy, but it's got some weight, so you know it's good. So let's see. Put it right here. Perfect. It comes with, in case it dies or anything, it comes with the charger for the vehicle, as well as if you just want to charge it like at home or something like that. And that should be all of them. Cool, cool, cool. And there's different options on here. So let's see. It's got a light, very convenient to have in case of emergency. And it's got different ways. Look at that. So if you push this button right here at the very, very top, see, it's got like a little bike now, basketball, car, a lot of features. So depending on what you're inflating, you're not overdoing it or underdoing it. But I'm excited to go ahead and get this hooked up. All right, before we do, I just wanted to show on here, it's got the Type-C charger to charge it and then an output of USB. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm kind of curious to try this out. So it'll be very handy to have, especially if you need to charge your phone or anything like that. Probably won't be your watch, but figured we could check it out. Let's see. There it is. So let's go ahead and get it hooked up. I wanted to point out another awesome feature that I had seen on here. All right, guys, so I'm out here. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up. So all you have to do is push this button here, hold it down, and then it's on. And I just wanted to point out, I don't know if I'm able to see it out here, or if you're able to see it in here, but it does have a battery, so you want to know exactly where it's at, so that way it stays charging in your vehicle, fully charged. But like I said, it also comes with a cigarette lighter. But for now, I don't think it needs a whole lot of air, but I just want to try it out so that way you can get the full experience on it. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off. And then make sure this is tightened up all the way. And then we'll go ahead and hook this up. And then if you push this, wow, very cool. So yeah, it tells you exactly the reading at what the pressure is at. So if you're looking for a good portable air compressor, highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.